I have a headache. I don't feel well today. My throat is dry and I'm coughing too. Let me check my temperature. 38.2 degrees. I have a fever. I need to see a doctor. I can't work like this. Let me call the clinic. Here it is. Sunrise Medical Clinic. It's open. Good. I hope the doctor can help me.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. I need to see a doctor. I'm not feeling well.
Okay. Please fill out this form. Do you have an appointment?
No, I don't. I just started feeling sick this morning.
That's okay. Please wait for a moment.
Name, symptoms. Excuse me. Are you allergic to any medications? No, I'm not.
Mr. Oliver Chen?
Yes, that's me.
Follow me, please. Dr. Emma is ready to see you.
Thank you.
The examination room is this way.
This clinic is very clean.
Thank you. Here we are, room number 3.
Hello. You're Oliver, right? My name is Emma.
Hello. She's so beautiful.
Don't worry. Please sit down.
Thank you.
What are your symptoms today?
I have a bad headache since this morning, and my throat hurts. It's very dry.
I see. Are you coughing?
Yes, I'm coughing a lot.
Do you have a fever, too?
Yes, I checked this morning. It was 38.2 degrees.
Now, I need to examine you. Open your mouth, please. Your throat is a little red. Rest for a moment. I'll check your temperature.
Okay.
Stay still, please.
Okay.
Almost done.
Her necklace is so pretty, and she smells nice.
38.3 degrees. You definitely have a fever. Now I need to listen to your lungs. Take a deep breath.
Okay.
Again, please. Breathe in, breathe out.
Okay.
Good. Your lungs sound normal.
Thank you.
Mr. Oliver, you have a common cold.
A cold? It's not serious, right?
That's right. It's not serious. Are you allergic to any medicine?
No, I'm not allergic to anything.
Good. I'll prescribe some medicine for you. You need to take 3 types of medicine.
3 types? What are they?
The first is fever medicine. Take it when you have a fever. The second is cough medicine. Take it 3 times a day after meals.
I understand. And the third one?
Medicine for sore throat. You need to take good care of yourself. You need to rest a lot. Get enough sleep.
Yes, I will rest.
And drink lots of water, at least 8 glasses per day.
Yes, I'll drink lots of water.
Don't work too hard. Rest for 2 to 3 days.
Yes, thank you very much.
You need to take good care of yourself, Oliver.
Yes, I will take care of myself.
Do you have someone to take care of you at home?
No, I don't. I live alone.
Oh, if you don't feel better in 3 days, come back to see me.
Yes, I will come back to see you.
I mean, to check your symptoms.
Here you are, your medicine. Don't forget to take it on time.
Thank you. I won't forget.
You look very happy. Dr. Emma takes good care, right?
Yes, the doctor is very good and very kind.
She's our best doctor.
I believe it.
Follow-up appointment card. In 3 days.
Please take good care of yourself.
I will. See you again. I need to take my medicine and get better, then come back to see her again. Today I'm sick, but I'm very happy because I met her.